Today we are going to test your knowledge in the JavaScript. Have a look at this particular code. So we have a function called as a create user, and inside this function, the very first two lines are printing variable values. The first statement refers to the username as a variable, and the second statement refers the age variable. On the next line, we have this username variable which is initialized with the value as carbon, but it is prefixed using a var as a keyword. In the next line, we have the age variable with the value as 80, but this time the variable is prefixed with the let keyword. Now this is all about the function. On the last line, we're just invoking the create user function. Pause this video for a few seconds and try to identify the appropriate output for this particular program. Alright, let's try to execute this particular program using the node command. We can also execute this inside the browser, but for the simplicity purpose, I'm just going to use node.js. So we have node and then we're passing the file name. So we can see on the screen what is happening. So the very first thing, we can see a value as undefined followed by an exception which is being raised. It is indicating that the age cannot be accessed before initialization. So what is happening over here? As we can see in the code, the first variable username is prefixed with a var as a keyword. Now var enables you something called as a variable hoisting. Now in that case, what happens is when this program is getting executed, any variable which is prefixed with the var as a keyword will get defined, or the memory allocation will happen even before it has been declared. So any code that is written prior to this will be able to access that variable, but the value that will be assigned to that kind of a variable is undefined. It will not be initialized with the value unless the statement or the line number 5 gets executed. And that is why the very first console.log statement prints undefined as a value. But in case of age, the variable has been prefixed with the let as a keyword. Now in that case, let defined variables are not initialized, or there is no memory allocation happening before their declaration. So the age variable will only be accessible after the line number 6 executes. I hope that clears the difference between using the variables with the var and the let keyword. I will see you soon in the next video with yet another JavaScript brain teaser. Till then, take care and build something.